YouTube. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish, dropping another one. I watched my last video, bro, and y'all know, sadly, Swift let me go. It was a sad sight, not gonna lie. I kinda already expected it. It's just funny how it all played out. They said I got reported for driving while recording. Even after they gave me all my props and everything about me bringing drivers to the company in the past 3 months, mentioning my name, I got let go. But I learned from it. Currently, I'm cleaning out my truck because I never ever gave y'all a truck tour. Like I never gave y'all a truck tour. So I'm just gonna y'all gonna watch me clean out my truck, and then that'll be all for this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, so let's clean out my truck.
Chase on the motherfucking rock.
No sir, 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 no sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rester. I'm about the car flexing like Sylvester. No sir, no sir. Bitches put up in an I-8 roaster.
All right, man. This right now is literally my car. It is packed and loaded. Like it is loaded as hell. Let me grab these keys to this truck so I can show y'all. That truck is still not cleaned out all the way because I can't put everything in my car. Like my car is already like maxed out with a lot of stuff, so we're cleaning it out. The truck though, I got a lot of trash in this truck because I just came in here to stew stuff around, and I was grabbing all my important stuff first. Like I grabbed stuff that I needed, but this is what this truck looks now. Like it's junky right now. I just threw stuff around. I grabbed all my important stuff. I'm gonna come back and grab the rest of this, and we're gonna show y'all how it looks when it's fully cleaned out. Let me grab this enforcer lock. Actually, no, I'm coming back. Just grab my Bible because I never know what they might try. They probably don't even let me back in the dang on gate because I don't know. I just hope that I still get my paycheck for this week and next week because they still owe me money. So I don't know. But yeah, we got the truck cleaned for the most part, like majority of my stuff out. I'm about to go home. My bad. I'm about to go home, dump all this stuff. I'm gonna be back up here to grab the rest of my items, and then that'll be all for Swift, bro. So I will see y'all when I get home. All right, right now I'm currently taking all my ratchet straps. I'm literally taking everything that I put in the truck out. My ratchet straps, I'm gonna leave a little something for like the next driver because I know how I get, bro. Like I ain't gonna be that guy that's gonna take everything. But I most definitely put a lot of ratchet straps in there, so I'm gonna take those because my next company I'm going to, I already made a couple of phone calls. They already told me like they'll take me. I literally, bro, I call US Express. I talked to them today. They told me they told me to fill the application out, and they can have me starting orientation Tuesday, and then the truck ready to roll Friday. On the road, regional. I average 2,000 miles a week. They said 2,000 miles weekly, which is like $1,000 something. And I'll be home every week for a reset. And the crazy part, and I'm looking at it, is US Express trucks here at the terminal, bro. So that's gonna be funny as hell if I actually do choose US Express, because I'm at the park here at this terminal. That'd be funny, but I'm still gonna do more research on companies. Like honestly, I do want to go back OTR, but I really can't beat home weekly, bro. Like I do want to be back. I do want to be home weekly. I can't lie, but I can't beat that with US Express. And they take the military apprenticeship. The only other companies that take it is Prime. I don't want to work. Like I thought about Prime by doing the leasing program, but I've been getting mixed reviews with them. Snyder recording policy is terrible. Like I'm not going there for sure. I wanted to go there, but I'm not going because I got to get my content. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Not Snyder. I think KLLM, I think they do the military apprenticeship. I'm not sure how their recording policy is, so I have to look at them. I know Werner. I know they do the military apprenticeship. I'm not sure how their recording policy is. I know TMC does it. They flatbed, but I'm not sure how their recording policy is. It's a lot of companies that take that military apprenticeship. I'm just trying to make sure that I can cover my own behind, because I'm not trying to fall into nothing like this with Swift, bro. Like, I personally feel like yes, I most definitely did make a whole bunch of videos over and over and over, showing like I really feel like I was showing y'all a lot, like too much, but at the end of the day, I feel like what I was showing y'all was helping out the next driver. Like, I feel like I've helped out a lot of new drivers, that they was able to learn from my mistakes and see where I went wrong in a lot of things. So, although I got fired, my clearinghouse and everything is cool. Like, I have nothing on my record. To me, I'm still a clean driver. You know what I'm saying? I'm still a clean driver. The next thing though is I do got to take another DOT physical and all that stuff in my new company that I choose to go to. So I got to get my health back right, because I know I told y'all like my blood pressure stuff started going up. So I got to fix that. But yeah, once I choose the next company, we're gonna go from there. I am gonna take a couple of weeks off from trucking, period. Get my mind back right. We're like focus a little bit more on some other stuff that's more important. I'm still gonna upload content for y'all every day. But I'm probably gonna take a week or two off for trucking, at least. Get my mind right. Lock in. Then when I come back from trucking, from my little break, we're gonna hit it back hard. I'm also gonna save up some money so I can actually get the proper equipment. Like, I don't wanna go back into this again. I'm gonna get that 360 camera, and I'm about mounts for my mirrors and stuff, so when I'm recording with the next company, they can see that like I'm 100% hands free all together. And then another thing too is, bro, like I feel like as well, although I post all these videos, I feel like a warning would have been a warning should have been better than just firing me, bro. But it's their company. I really can't judge what they did. I kind of had a feeling it was coming. Like, I already had a feeling, but I feel like a warning letting me know, like, hey, like you should probably stop doing your videos the way you're doing or recording a different way. Because they said like what I was doing was all right. Like, she literally said, we seen your YouTube videos, which is fine. Like, we watch them. If it's fine, then y'all could have gave me a warning and let me know, like, hey, what you doing out there on the road? Whether it is like how it's recording, should probably change that. Otherwise, if you keep doing it, we're gonna fire you. But I didn't get no warning. I just got fired off rip. So it is what it is. I live and I learn. I'm just cleaning up my truck now, and we're gonna go back to the crib, relax, shit, rest up, because the rest is really needed, and we're gonna go from there, man. But yeah, let me get these ratchet straps out of this thing. All right, the next driver got like 4 ratchet straps. It'd be all right. I took majority of them because I'm gonna need them. I'm gonna need those ratchet straps. Like, I'm not gonna be spending no bread on them ratchet straps. What else I gotta take out of this truck? I gotta sweep, get a little more stuff out of here. Let me show you how the truck looking now. Ugh, pretty much clean. Really kind of dirty. Still, I got a little stuff to get out of here still. Like these, I'm gonna leave these bowls in here honestly because somebody can use it. But there's nothing in there. I gotta take that trash out of there. That's up there. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing down here. Like nothing. Actually, it's peanut butter down there. That's trash. Make sure I get that out. But there's nothing else in here. Literally. Nothing in here. This is a manual. I can stay in here. Like, I don't need that. I took all my extra, like all the equipment and stuff that I had that I was being charged, like my enforcer lock. Took that because I'm not leaving that. Come on now. My kingpin lock. Took that. What else? I took the stuff that I had to pay for. Like, all the stuff that I paid for that came out of my check, I took. Anything else that came with this truck is staying in this truck. Because I do not want to, because they still owe me 2 more checks. I got a check for this week and next week. They still owe me 2 checks. So, or they might just mess around and pay me everything tomorrow. Who knows? That'd be cool. But, yeah. That's that. We sweep out this truck. And we out of here, man. All right, man, this right here is my last hoorah ride with this truck, man. I had this truck since I got with Swift. Y'all remember my first vlog, which was 3 months ago. This is the truck I got because I was complaining about the first truck. I got this truck, and this truck held it down for me. I'm not gonna lie. Just like the last couple of months, the last couple of months though, like the last month or so, it been giving me issues about going to the shop. So right now, we still got a check engine light. I don't know what's wrong with it currently because I didn't get a chance to take it to the shop before I got the bad news today. But hey, like I said, man, I live and I learn. This right here most definitely not gonna stop me from doing what I'm doing. Like, I'm finna like turn it up 10 times. I'm gonna come 10 times harder. But this is what the inside of the truck looks like. Like, up there, it's pretty much clean. Up here, clean. The bed, like, bed is practically brand new, bro. There's literally nothing wrong with this bed. But I'll still just get a new bed just cause I slept in it. Clean. It's right here. I need to get this peanut butter out of here. Like I said I was gonna do. Put that in that seat because I don't want the next driver to get in here and just, feel me, be uncomfortable. Everything down there, cleared out. I showed y'all the drawers, clean. The front cap, I'm leaving that sanitizer. Right there because I mean somebody else can use it. Let me get my €2. Why do I have €2 in here and I'm all the way back stateside? Like, what the world? Put that in my pocket. That's pretty much everything in this truck, man. Not gonna lie, it was a little rodeo, but live you learn, man. So with that being said, hold on, we gotta do it like old times. This is one last. Like with that being said, it was a long little journey, a couple of months. This is not the end of the world, you know. This is actually my first time ever getting fired, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna say that I don't deserve it, but I feel like it was deserved and it wasn't deserved. Like I feel like I probably should have. I feel like I could have switched it out with a warning or something. But hey, I ain't complaining. I want you to better. I got my experience. I've been calling other companies. Y'all see I'm sweaty as hell. But that'll pretty much be it for this video, bro. Like the next video, like I said, the next truck vlog that y'all get out of me, I know y'all asked me to do a video on pay, so I might give y'all a video on pay while I'm on my off time. I'll give y'all a video on pay. I'm just giving y'all all the videos that y'all want to know about Swift, bro, that I obviously could not say because I was in the company and I do not want to speak bad on them. I'm still not going to speak bad on them because at the end of the day, bro, if it wasn't for this company, bro, I would not have gotten to where I'm at now, bro. Like, this company allowed me to grow and they allowed me to make mistakes. I'm actually surprised they even allowed me to record the way that I was recording for those 3 months, bro. Like, they allowed me to record all of that, and then I guess they had enough. They was like, you know what, enough is enough. But it's just crazy to me that somebody would really report me, though. Like, I can't believe that somebody, one of my viewers, would report me. I thought like I had that connection with all my viewers, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. One of them keys. Yeah. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Your boy Fish out. I love y'all, man.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast. We've been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keeping the flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko. Play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be chicken, can't stop being tender by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switch up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pill like a sword when it's time to be used. I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' face my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters, cause Nova my clan. I get so high, I don't know where to land. If you think you better, you don't stand a chance. They don't get bigger pictures, they minds can't expand. Only fear God in me.